Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Targo online banking account. Targo Bank is a bank mainly operating in the retail, business and corporate customer segments and many more. Now firstly for that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search targobank.de and press enter. Now you will be directly lead to this kind of page, and there you can see the option login. You need to click on that. Now this kind of interface will appear where you need to fill down your credentials, that is your username and your password. Now in case if you want to save your username for the next time you log in, you can check on this box. And if you have forgotten your login details, then here you can see this option. You can click on that and they will be guiding you further to recover it. And if you haven't created your Targo account, then there you can see the create user data option. You can click on that and they will be guiding you further to register for it. Now if your credentials are ready, you can click on login and you will be successfully logged into your Targo bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.